Hey guys, what's up?
Hey guys,
I'm Shannon,
and I'm Cassidy.
and this is an episode of Twins Doing Everyday Things. Now, this is the last one for tonight, and it's going to be a doozy.
A doozy.
Are you excited? We're going to clean out our ears before bed. Here.
You know when you shower and you're like, I can't, ew, it's nasty in there. Take the Q-tip
Ugh.
and like rub it around, okay?
Oh my gosh, are you really? I just like how it feels.
It's satisfying. You know, like the squish videos that all those little kids are obsessed with? They should be obsessed with cleaning their ears because it's so much better.
Yeah, I'm sure someone's going to comment and say it's dangerous for you to use Q-tips in your ears. We don't care.
We don't care. Don't comment below. How's that? We don't need your comments, all right?
It's just twins cleaning their ears.
That's right.
That's all.
Just relax.
So let's take a deep breath. Everybody calm down.
Okay. Yeah, don't be so passionate.
No.
I won't be so passionate.
No.
All right?
All right.
All right.
But thanks for watching.
Yeah. We love you. Bye.
Good night.